Vintage Camellia mini bag.
Wow.
Fits small items like earphones and lipsticks. Crochet tutorial starts now. Materials needed. Part 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the third chain. Then work 15 double crochets and place a stitch marker on the last stitch. Tie-in the ring. At the end of each round, slip stitch to the first stitch to join. This slip stitch does not count as a stitch, pull it tight. Round 2. Chain 1 as a turning chain, then work 1 single crochet. Next, chain 3. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Work a total of 8 repeats, skipping 1 stitch between each group. When finished, it should look like this. Round 3. Work on the chain spaces from the previous round. Chain 1 as a turning chain. In the first chain space, work 1 single crochet. In the second chain space, work 7 double crochets. This is 1 pattern repeat, spanning 2 chain spaces. Repeat this method to complete 4 groups. Round 4. Start by chaining 2. Then, work a back post single crochet, also called single crochet around the post, into the single crochet post from round 2. Place a stitch marker here. This is the first stitch of this round. Next, chain 4. Then work another back post single crochet into the next single crochet post. Followed by chaining 4. Repeat this pattern to complete 8 groups. Then slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Round 5. Work on the 4 chain spaces from the previous round. In the first chain space, work 1 single crochet. In the second chain space, work 8 double crochets. This is 1 pattern repeat spanning 2 chain spaces. Repeat to complete 4 groups, 4 petals. Round 6. Chain 2 first. Then, work a back post single crochet into the single crochet post from round 4. Make sure to pick the correct stitch. Place a stitch marker on this first single crochet post stitch. It counts as the first stitch of this round. Next, chain 4. Then work another back post single crochet into the next single crochet post. Followed by chaining 4. Repeat to complete 8 groups. Round 7. Work on the 4 chain spaces from the previous round. In each chain space, work 1 single crochet, chain 1, then 6 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1, and finish with 1 single crochet. This completes 1 petal per chain space. Repeat to make 8 petals total. Round 8. Chain 3 first. Then, work 1 single crochet into the middle of the 6 double crochets from the previous round. Place a stitch marker here. This is the first stitch of this round. Chain 5. Work another single crochet into the middle of the next petal's 6 double crochets. Then chain 5. Repeat to complete 8 groups. Finally, slip stitch to join. Round 9, leaf round. With green yarn, make a slip knot and join into any 5 chain space from the previous round. Chain 3 to replace the first double crochet, then work 2 more double crochets. Chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets in the same space. This completes 1 leaf. Repeat to make 8 leaves total, then fasten off. Round 10, final round. With beige yarn, make a slip knot and join into any 2 chain space from the previous round. Work 1 single crochet. Then, between each leaf group, work 7 treble crochets. See Demo for treble crochet technique. This is 1 pattern. Repeat, complete 8 groups. Then chain 60. Slip stitch back to the first stitch again, fasten off, and weave in the ends. Finally, I'll show you how to hide the yarn tails. Back piece, solid color. Start with a magic ring. Round 1, work 14 double crochets. You may chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Round 2, work 14 sets of double crochet increases, chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. Increase means working 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Round 3, in the first stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 3 to replace it. In the next stitch, work a double crochet increase. This is 1 pattern. Repeat, spanning 2 stitches. Repeat for 14 groups. Round 4, work 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches, chain 3 to replace the first double crochet. In the third stitch, work a double crochet increase. This is 1 pattern. Repeat, spanning 3 stitches. Repeat for 14 groups. Round 5, in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Then in the fourth stitch, work 7 treble crochets. Skip 3 stitches. This is 1 pattern. Repeat, spanning 7 stitches. Repeat for 8 groups. Chain 6 to 8. Then slip stitch back to the first stitch. Fasten off. The back piece is done. Assembly. Align the 2 pieces. Using a yarn needle, start sewing them together, skipping 2 petals and working clockwise. If you like it, please like, save, and follow.